Good day, welcome. Today I'm going to show you one of the tools I use when working with Laravel. It's very resourceful. It's very awesome tool. I like it. It's called the iSeed. It's an inverse seed generator. It's a Laravel package that provides method to generate a new seed file based on data from the existing database. When working with Laravel, you want to tweak the database, you want to modify some files, you want to add a new table, and oftentimes you will need to delete the tables and add them again and over, and in the course of doing that you would lose your data and the rest of it. So I find the iSeed generator very useful because I don't need to manually type the data. If I had dummy data on my tables already, it could automatically generate it from the table. Now I have already installed it on my Laravel. I'm not going to walk through how it's installed. You'll go through the orange seed. I'll drop the URL on the comment description section below, so you could go there and check it. So you have require, you want to open the root of your inventory where you are working. Let me clear this. Make sure you are in the folder. I'm using a git bash command here for pushing and pulling from my git bash. You can use any other editor, but you want to make sure you are in the root directory of your web folder. So you run this composer require this, and also run this for Laravel 5.3.7 and below, or Laravel 4 new specification. You want to run this. Then you want to add the service provider. If you don't know where the service provider is under let's go there, app.config. Let's go there. So you have app config app. It should be this one. What did they say we should add? Orange hue. Underwear. Service provider. Oh, if you are using 5.4.x and below, remember to add it. My current version is 5.5, so I did not need to add it. Okay. So for you to create a table, for you to seed a table from your seeder, or I did some seeding here. Hold on, let's look through it. Okay, I have some seeds here. Let me look for a table that has not. Okay, let me delete this. Yep, inventory history. Also, I want to delete it from here. Yes. Okay, now this is it. This is this table here. That's the one I deleted. So you notice you can either do to one table, or you can do it to different table, multiple table. This is very necessary. You don't put space, just as it appears. You could do comma, and add as much table as you want. Let's just generate one table for now. PHP artisan iSeed, paste. Okay, let's wait for it to be done. Oh, it's done. It created it. Okay, I have my inventory history back. So everything is populated from the database. Sweet, isn't it? Okay, now let's see. This is the database, right? You can go to the inventory history and check. There's a lot of data here, and up to 2 pages, 3 pages. Now let's say I make some modifications on my table. I want to do PHP artisan, migrate, refresh. So it will recreate the table and generate a new one for me. Done. So if you refresh this, the tables are back, but my data is gone. Too bad. It's gone. They're all gone. Nowhere to be found. Okay, so I can do PHP artisan db seed. Now it will seed every content. Browse. Voila, they're all back. So it's really a handy tool to use for keeping up backup content. So Orange Hill, I see invest seed generator for Laravel. It's an awesome tool if you want to generate content from your database, so that when you are manipulating the database structure, the table and everything, you don't need to type this content back, and you don't need to tweak it. Also, for if you are sharing the project and you want to upload it to GitHub and you want someone to pull the data and also restore dummy content, it's a really great tool for you to use. Thank you for watching my video. Once more, you can click on the subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial.